Hello foodies! Dish of the nightmare, green grapes juice. सबसे पहले हम ग्रीन ग्रेप्स लेंगे और उसके बाद उसे मिक्सी के जार में डाल देंगे। Add 2 spoon of sugar in the jar. Now we will add 1 spoon of black salt. Now we will add 1/4 spoon of black pepper in the jar. Now we will add lemon juice. Now we will add small amount of water and ice cubes in the jar. Now we will blend it well. Now we will filter our grape juice and remove solid particles from it. In this summer, let's try new drink, green grapes juice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for latest updates.
T-shirt is loose, drink grape juice. #Tastynightmares.